Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on architecting context and memory in conversational AI systems. We will explore how to transition from basic, stateless prompts to powerful, stateful intelligence. Stateless systems treat each message as an independent request. Stateful systems, however, maintain context by combining conversation history and system data, allowing the AI to understand timelines and root causes. Comparing the two, stateless AI lacks memory and continuity, making it unsuitable for complex chats. Stateful AI is the industry standard for multi-turn interactions, providing full context awareness. This is the multi-turn conversation loop. It involves receiving a user message, retrieving relevant context, formulating a prompt, processing the AI response, and updating memory for the next turn. Memory has two layers. Short-term memory is ephemeral and focuses on active, multi-turn conversations. Long-term memory provides persistent storage for user profiles, history, and preferences. When implementing storage, you have options. In-memory is best for prototyping, databases are recommended for production, and hybrid approaches balance speed and scale. To build memory, define a data model, assemble your context by collecting message history, and then send that full array of messages to the AI API. Massive chat history can cause token bloat, slowing performance and increasing costs. Mitigate this through truncation, summarization, or entity extraction to maintain a high signal context. Effective AI agents use memory for various roles, from support chatbots that track long-term issues, to debugging assistants that follow step-by-step logic, or consulting assistants tracking requirements. Avoid anti-patterns like failing to store context or dumping raw database data into prompts. Instead, implement best practices like rolling context windows and clear, context-aware prompting. Follow this 4-day roadmap. Architect your storage, build your prompt, optimize the context, and finalize your end-to-end system. Try the mini exercise to practice. In summary, architecting memory is about balancing stateless and stateful design, layering your storage, and optimizing how you feed context back to the AI.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.